What's up, ladies and gents, DGens around the world? Let's recap what happened on SPY today. So we open up one. Oh, there's a bull and a bear there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears and one bull. When you see something like this happen, it's like, hey, we want to have like a pretty bearish outlook, but given that it's the open, kind of anything could happen. So the best trade here is taking the initial bull bomb. And you notice we go up 1, 2, we go up 2 strikes, and then right here, close to 3, 471, it kind of stalls out. So when I see these 5, I'm like, hey, man, these are getting killed right now. They're getting absolutely nuked. And what would be best is we're looking for it up here. Because, up here, we can buy the 471. Or the 470 put, and we're going to make a ton of money. When you see this come up late, so look, this bull is already up basically 3 strikes from the open. On an average day, not high volume, you're going to see 3 strikes pretty much as the maximum here in 0 DTE world. So this is a trade you want to avoid. Price starts coming down. If you took these here, you were patient, you waited, bam, awesome trade. Next one. Chat's kind of crazy. Oh, not on this one. Corbin didn't hack this one. But here we get a PS 407. PS is position score. And on a lower volume day like today, this is exactly what we want to see. We came down from the high, and boom. If we're going to go lower, if we're going to have that mean reversion, it's going to happen right here. So you take the trade. Here, okay. I want to bring you down. Let's scroll down. This is score 235. So right here, you look at this HC, which means a change from the intraday high. You're down $2.18. So it's possible this thing could keep going down, right? But the score's kind of low, 235. Everything's kind of mixed around it. And initially, it's not a very good trade. Look here, the next one. Bull bomb, 621, big score. That's probably like 500,000 something in bullish premium. This person is looking for the mean reversion trade. That means we go back higher. We're going to go back to the high of the day. And you can kind of see it, right? Because here we're at 469. Oh, baby, we're going to go up. Doesn't happen. It's a good trade to take. PS score is exactly what you want, but you do not win. Not always going to win copy trading Wall Street, but sometimes we do. Later we get back to this and, it's kind of mixed, okay? You see bulls, you see bears, and we're going down, but it's mixed. They're trying so hard to pump this thing over 469. And kind of what I talked about in the Discord is if this thing's going to hawk, you'll know it. You won't be sitting in a position thinking, looking at every 1 minute candle, think, I'm going to go up, it's going to go up. What you're seeing in a real hawk type action is, holy shit, should I sell this thing at 30%, 40%, 50%? Oh my God, I didn't need enough runners on. So whenever I see this, we're looking right here at 1512. We don't blow past through 469. If you don't blow past through the strike, you are going to get bent over. And that is exactly what happens here. And you can see these little red floor beasts coming at the end, the smartest people of the entire day, catching a huge move to the bottom. Classic mean reversion. At volume and almost close to 100%, we tag that as unclear, maybe extremely difficult. But if you followed, the strategy of bulls below, bears above the blue. You hit this one, you made money. 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 This one here, right, strikes 469. We're at 468.51, right? I'm just waiting here. I mean, if you take that initially, you're maybe getting like 20 or 30%. But I'm seeing this come right here to 469, and I'm seeing us not rocket up, and that's a trade to fucking take. Because you take that, you go down, it maybe comes back, doesn't even get close to 469 again, and then you get the nuke at the end of the day. Additionally, when we come down and look at the popular strikes, 51%, which is very high, anything over 50% indicates, traders taking a position in it, are buying that 468p. And oh baby, look where we closed, 468. SPY, relatively easy day to trade as long as you did not get too captivated in this early morning action. Remember, the first hour is extremely volatile, but it really sets up for the rest of the day. And if you took these 5 bear bombs, and you were like, hey, we are not breaking through up to 471 and took it here, well, goddamn, man, you just printed a ton of money.